This is day one after completing, same day that I completed the 4-pound burrito at Wowie's here in San Marcos, Texas. I'm set to take on the 4 sandwich. The 4 sandwich challenge at Subway. So let's get this going. All right, here we go. Sandwich 1. Damn it.
You're almost done with
Oh, in a minute. I thought I got a meatball.
it? Did you?
Well, I guess if they were going off the receipt, then they couldn't get it wrong. Italian BMT meats.
The meatball? Did?
I did get a meatball.
Where? This one. Right.
Oh, it's this one.
Oh, that sure. I'm not gonna tell you said she did it wrong.
I'm gonna fly first from there.
Don't say me that.
I heard it had a meatball in the ear. What?
Technically one whole one so far. What? I'm not going for time.
I'm not either. I'm just hungry.
You're not enjoying it.
Mm-hmm. This bread.
What is that? The Italian hearse.
And cheese.
What cheese did you get?
Damn. This is my favorite so far.
You're pissing me off, slow down. I said, you're pissing me off, slow down. You're good? That's good.
Damn.
You look like Napoleon Dynamite when he was on.
Is that still fresh one?
Shut up. Yeah. Baby, it was a lot of vegetables.
More than halfway there. Just got 3 more, 6 inches.
100 cookies.
Oh yeah, I added some cookies. Always room for dessert. Jalapeno. Oh.
What?
It was good. I think the one thing that would get me on a food challenge is having to go to the restroom. Because I feel up.
Honey, lettuce. I don't know why this one doesn't taste good. It's done? Is it?
And that's with a 4-pound bean burrito, baby.
That's terrible.
Last sandwich of the 4 that I ordered. All specialty sandwiches with everything that was supposed to come on the sandwiches, whether it be double cheese, 3 different meats. Last one, this one is the meatball marinara, black olives, onions, banana, peppers, and it looks like 2 times the provolone cheese.
I thought you don't like olives.
I do now.
Eat that meatball. Someone might come to that corner. You know what I think I messed up? Because last time I did less veggies, like just turkey, and this time I did like chicken. I think that's what it was.
Last bite of the 4 sandwiches, right under 21, right at 21 minutes. Let's go.
21 minutes? Got the cookies. You got one of each? You told me to. I feel like one's missing now.
I feel like. Bet. Yeah, you better deposit that money.
You're like a freak of nature.
You better deposit that money in my bank right now. Right now.
This doesn't count as that. This doesn't count as that challenge.
You ain't gonna finish that one.
Yeah, I am. I got an hour.
Okay.
And I feel a little queasy right now.
Okay.
This sandwich really did me in. It was nasty.
Damn. Chocolate. Of macadamia. Much.
I just put this.
Chocolate chip. Oh my red man. Oh man, that chocolate chip. Oh my god.
I legit think I'm gonna tap out. I ate 2.
It's raisin. Oh my.
Now okay.
Really good. Last cookie. My half. Raspberry white macadamia. Oh, bro.
Here. Shut it. Too much stomach hurt.
And that's a wrap.
You want to eat the rest of mine?
4 sandwiches. 2.5 cookies. That's a wrap. For the games, baby. Let's go.